The Rockford Fosgate PMX-2 Marine Media Receiver is designed for optimal performance in small marine systems, featuring a vibrant 2.7-inch full-color TFT display. This compact receiver includes a robust amplifier capable of delivering 50 watts per channel, ensuring powerful sound quality for any marine environment. It offers extensive connectivity options, including Bluetooth streaming with Albumart, Pandora control, AUX and USB inputs, and USB charging, making it versatile for modern audio needs. The PMX-2 is built to withstand harsh marine conditions with its IPX6 rating, providing protection against dust, UV, temperature, water, corrosion, and vibration. Installation is simplified with its 3-inch round mounting hole design, allowing for easy integration into your boat's dashboard. Rockford Fosgate's commitment to quality is evident in the PMX-2, backed by a full 2-year warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and performance.